This video is going to demonstrate how to quickly convert a document created using LaTeX to a Word document where the expressions and equations are formatted with MathType. So to start, I have an old Math 60 exam on the right-hand side. It's a PDF. And so if we go down, I'm going to look at this fourth page where I have 6 different expressions. They're in 2 columns, and they're formatted with A through F. So coming in to the source file, you can see that I have begin problem, which is an environment that I've created to do my numbering system of problems and give various spacing. What we really want is the text and then the mathematical expressions. So I'm going to copy that out of this file, and I've copied it. Now I'm going to paste it into Word. And at this point, I really just want the column and spacing commands out of there. So I'm just going to delete those out. I'm taking out the ones that say to make it 2 columns and have spacing. And now I've got this item. I could manually delete this. I could also do a change all. So I'm going to copy that and then hit Control H for the shortcut replace command. Copying that in here. I'm going to do replace all, give it a single space. And so I've done everything there. Okay, and at this point I could convert it to LaTeX. I'm actually going to grab one more problem just to show how to do a large conversion. So coming down, my second problem on this calculator portion is converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So I'm going to grab the text out of there, copy that out, put it into the Word document, and deal with that spacing again. And then at this point, I'm ready to turn this into MathType. And so if I come up to the MathType menu, what I'm looking for is something called Toggle Tech. And depending on the version of Word that you're using, it may be located in a different place. But on this one, I see under the Publish menu, and there's also a shortcut command. But under this Publish menu, I see Tech, and then I see the large sigma, and it says it's going to toggle between Tech and MathType equations. And it will go both directions, from Tech to MathType and from MathType to Tech. So that's what I want to use. I'm going to highlight every part that I want converted. And so in this case, I want the whole thing converted. There won't be anything wrong with the regular text when I convert it. It'll stay as regular text. It's only going to convert the equation parts, which are denoted in this case with $signs, or with this one here, I have the slash square bracket denoting that that equation will be on its own line, not in line. So I'm going to toggle Tech now, and it takes a couple seconds, but now everything has been turned into MathType. A little bit of cleanup might be necessary if you're looking at this one where I had a C dot and then parentheses for a negative fraction. Probably want some manual spacing in there. But at this point, I could take these and then get my A through F back in there. So just putting in words, numbering system, and now I have A through F. Could turn that into 2 columns if I wanted. The last thing that I could do is I could take just these or the whole thing and turn them back into Tech. So I can go back and forth between those two.